Welcome today in front of me Nubia at Magic 7 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should launch the settings application and after that we should tap on the sound section. After that we can see here the ringtone and notification volume panel. Just to mute your device notifications you can hold and drag to the left side those red dots on the ringtone notification volume panel. But by this way you will mute not only your notifications but also you will mute the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and to mute only your device notifications, I suggest you to unmute this volume panel and after that just click here to default notification sound and switch your currently notification sound just to silent. After that just tap here to OK. Wait a second and now we can see here that we just mute our device notifications but we'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.